Floyd Joy Mayweather Jr., born February 24, 1977, is an American boxing promoter and former professional boxer who competed between 1996 and 2017. He retired with an undefeated record and won 15 major world championships spanning 5 weight classes from super featherweight to light middleweight. This includes the Ring magazine title in 3 weight classes. As an amateur, he won a bronze medal in the featherweight division at the 1996 Olympics, 3 U.S. Golden Gloves championships at light flyweight, flyweight, and featherweight, and the U.S. National Championship at featherweight. After retiring from professional boxing in August 2017, he transitioned to exhibition boxing. As of July 2025, BoxRec ranks him the 3rd greatest boxer of all time, pound for pound. Mayweather was named Fighter of the Decade for the 2010s by the Boxing Writers Association of America and the Sporting News, a 2-time winner of the Ring magazine's Fighter of the Year Award 1998 and 2007, a 3-time winner of the BWAA Fighter of the Year Award 2007, 2013, and 2015. And a 6-time winner of the Best Fighter SPY Award 2007 to 2010, 2012 to 2014. In 2016, ESPN ranked him the greatest boxer, pound for pound, of the last 25 years. In 2024, they also ranked him the best boxer of the 21st century. In 2025, The Ring ranked him the greatest boxer, pound for pound, of the 21st century. He is referred to as one of the best defensive boxers in history. Since the existence of CompuBox, Mayweather is the most accurate puncher among professional boxers, having the highest plus-minus ratio in recorded boxing history. He has a tied record with Joe Louis of 26 consecutive wins in world title fights, 12. He also holds 24 wins, 7 KOs against former or current world tit lists, and 8 wins, 3 KOs against International Boxing Hall of Fame inductees. He was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame in the class of 2021. Mayweather is one of the most lucrative pay-per-view attractions of all time in any sport. He topped the Forbes and Sports Illustrated lists of the 50 highest-paid athletes of 2012 and 2013, and the Forbes list tagged in both 2014 and 2015 as the highest-paid athlete in the world. In 2006, he founded his own boxing promotional firm, Mayweather Promotions. After leaving Bob Arum's top rank, he has generated approximately 24 million PPV buys and $1.67 billion in revenue throughout his career. In 2018, he was the highest-paid athlete in the world, with total earnings, including endorsements, of $285 million, according to Forbes. In November 2021, Sportico released an all-time athlete earnings list in which Mayweather ranked no. 6 all-time, totaling an inflation-adjusted $1.2 billion in his career. Mayweather was born Floyd Joyce Sinclair on February 24, 1977, in Grand Rapids, Michigan, into a family of boxers. His father, Floyd Mayweather Sr., is a former welterweight contender who fought Hall of Famer Sugar Ray Leonard. His uncles Jeff and the late Roger Mayweather were professional boxers, with the latter, Floyd's former trainer, winning to world championships, as well as fighting Hall of Famers Julio Cesar Chavez, Pernell Whitaker, and Kostya Tszyu. Mayweather was born with his mother's last name, but his last name would change to Mayweather shortly thereafter. His maternal grandfather was born in Kingston, Jamaica. He attended Ottawa Hills High School before dropping out. Boxing has been a part of Mayweather's life since his childhood, and he never seriously considered any other profession. "I think my grandmother saw my potential first," he said. "When I was young, I told her, I think I should get a job. She said, no, just keep boxing." During the 1980s, Mayweather lived in the Hiram Square neighborhood of New Brunswick, New Jersey, where his mother had relatives. He later said, "When I was about 8 or 9, I lived in New Jersey with my mother, and we were 7 deep in one bedroom, and sometimes we didn't have electricity. When people see what I have now, they have no idea of where I came from and how I didn't have anything growing up." It was common for the young Mayweather to come home from school and find used heroin needles in his front yard. His mother was addicted to drugs, and he had an aunt who died from AIDS because of her drug use. "People don't know the hell I've been through," he says. The most time that his father spent with him was taking him to the gym to train and work on his boxing, according to Mayweather. "I don't remember him ever taking me anywhere or doing anything that a father would do with a son, going to the park or to the movies or to get ice cream," he says. "I always thought that he liked his daughter, Floyd's older sister, better than he liked me because she never got a whippings and I got a whippings all the time." Mayweather's father contends that Floyd is not telling the truth about their early relationship. "Even though his daddy did sell drugs, I didn't deprive my son," the elder Mayweather says. "The drugs I sold, he was a part of it. He had plenty of food. He had the best clothes, and I gave him money. He didn't want for anything." "Anybody in Grand Rapids can tell you that I took care of my kids." Floyd Sr. says he did all of his hustling at night and spent his days with his son, taking him to the gym and training him to be a boxer. "If it wasn't for me, he wouldn't be where he is today," he maintains. personal life, Mayweather resides in a 22,000 square foot, 5-bedroom, 7-bath, custom-built mansion in Las Vegas. He owns the Mayweather Boxing Club, a boxing gym in Chinatown Plaza in Las Vegas. Legal issues. Mayweather has been convicted on multiple occasions of domestic violence and battery. In 2002, Mayweather was charged with 2 counts of domestic violence and 1 count of misdemeanor battery. He received a 6-month suspended sentence and 2 days of house arrest and was ordered to perform 48 hours of community service. In 2004, Mayweather was given a 1-year suspended jail sentence, ordered to undergo counseling for impulse control, and pay a $1,000 fine or perform 100 hours of community service after being convicted of 2 counts of misdemeanor battery against 2 women. In 2005, Mayweather pleaded no contest to a misdemeanor battery charge after hitting and kicking a bouncer, receiving a 90-day suspended jail sentence. On September 9, 2010, it was reported that Mayweather was being sought by police for questioning after his former girlfriend, Josie Harris, filed a domestic battery report against him. Harris accused Mayweather of battery in the past, but those charges were dropped in July 2005 after Harris testified that she had lied and that Mayweather had not battered her. Mayweather was taken into custody September 10, 2010, but was released after posting $3,000 bail. Mayweather was initially charged with felony theft stemming from the disappearance of Harris's mobile phone. On September 16th to felony coercion charges, 1 felony robbery charge, 1 misdemeanor domestic battery charge, and 3 misdemeanor harassment charges were added. On December 21, 2011, a judge sentenced Mayweather to serve 90 days in the county jail for battery upon Harris in September 2010. Mayweather reached a deal with prosecutors in which he pleaded guilty to misdemeanor battery in exchange for prosecutors dropping the felony battery charge. Mayweather also pleaded no contest to 2 counts of misdemeanor harassment stemming from threats to his children. In addition to the 90-day sentence, Mayweather was ordered to complete 100 hours of community service, a 12-month domestic violence program, and to pay a fine of $2,500. On June 1st, Mayweather began serving his county jail sentence and was released on August 3, 2012. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.